We are spending a week in Vancouver and instead of a hotel, we picked this Airbnb. Here's what you get for just $80 per night in the city of Coquitlam. It was really close to bus and SkyTrain.
This is going to be our home for next 7 days in Vancouver.
So we have an entrance from there, and this is living area.
This is our private room, simple, clean, and cozy for a week stay. This Airbnb gave us the perfect balance of privacy, comfort, and proximity to Vancouver. The kitchen is shared, fully equipped if you want to cook. The living room is also shared, a nice cozy spot. This backyard is my favorite part. It's so peaceful, perfect for morning coffee or just chilling. The owner has planted some plums, veggies, which gives the backyard really homely and relaxing vibe. You can just enjoy a little slice of nature right here, even in the city. Staying just outside of Vancouver in Coquitlam was a great choice, and you still have easy access to the city whenever you want. For travelers looking for an affordable stay close to Vancouver without the city prices, Airbnb is really a practical and a cozy option. So tell me in the comments what would you choose, and for more Vancouver adventure, stay tuned for next videos.